Yes, hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good at home. And I hope you all are maintaining the protocol for the coronavirus, right? And yes, at the same time, you all are so excited about your Science Olympiad examination as we are excited, okay? So today we will discuss about the Science Olympiad workbook, and what we will discuss about the content, what are the contents are coming for your examination, means syllabus. Then we'll discuss about the question answer, and then we will learn how to solve the OMR sheet, okay, how to fill the OMR sheet, okay. So what are the contents? Let's see. So the contents are plant, then the second chapter will be animal, third chapter will be food and digestion, fourth chapter will be human needs, fifth chapter matters and materials, sixth chapter force, work and energy, seventh chapter our environment, and eighth chapter, that is earth and universe, okay. So these are the chapters, and which are coming for your examination, and you all know about this chapter because these chapters are also involved in your science chapter, in a science book, okay. So very known or very familiar topics are there which you can which you already know, and by knowing little bit much, and you can solve the question answer very nicely, okay. Let's start. So the first chapter, that is plant, okay. Let's start with the chapter plant. And in the plant chapter, what we will learn? We will learn about the plant and fruit producer, then we will learn about the general characteristics of plant, then adaptation of plant, then unusual plants, then uses of plants, okay. These are the 5 topics which we will learn for the chapter, in this chapter, okay. So let's start. So green leaves are the food factories of plants. These are the food factories of plants, means the green leaves prepare the food, okay, by the process of photosynthesis, okay. So veins on the leaf blade, so you can see the veins, these are the veins, okay. These are the veins, wait, let me show, okay. These are the veins, okay. These are the veins. So veins on the veins on the leaf blade helps for what? Veins on the leaf blade helps for the transportation of transportation of water, minerals, and prepared food. So what they do? They transport the water, they transport the minerals, and they transport the prepared food, etc. to the leaf, to and from the leaf, okay. It means as leaf prepare the food, and once they take the food from the leaf and transport to the each and every part of the plant, like the stem, root, and all. Same way, root, they absorb the water and mineral from the soil, and the veins, they transport the water and mineral to the leaf, to the stem, and to the other part of the plant, okay. So some of the food or sugar prepared by photosynthesis is used for the plant's own growth. So you know what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis means the process by which plant prepare their food in the presence of sunlight, water, and air, okay. So the food, or they are also called the food which prepared by the plants are also known as the sugar, okay. So sugar, or the food prepared by the plant by process of photosynthesis, is used for what? Plants own growth. They use for their own growth, and they stored some as starch, okay. And we also eat that part only. This stored starch serve as a food for the herbivorous. Herbivorous means the animals who eat plant only, right? So the starch which are stored in the plant, the herbivorous, or we as well, human beings as well, we also eat that, okay. We eat that part only, like the potato, the potato is the starch part only, okay. They are the stored one, and we eat that. Potato is full of starch, okay. So here, see the process of photosynthesis, okay. Here is the process of photosynthesis, and what are those? See, this is the plant. This is a small plant Okay, this is the small plant, and here what we can see, what is the function of leaf? What is the function of the leaf? The leaf, water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight. Water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight are put together in the process of photosynthesis. So during the photosynthesis, the water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight are put together in the process of photosynthesis to prepare sugar or food. Okay, and see here the root. What is the function of the root? They take the water and mineral from the soil. See, water and minerals are absorbed through the roots and carried through the stem to all the part of the plant. Okay, here you can see, okay, here you can see what the excess sugar is stored in the starch food in the different part of the plant. So you know, the excess sugar which are stored in the root or in the different part of the plant. Some plant na, they store the starch in the stem, so we eat that stem. Some stored in the leaves, some in the root. Okay, some in the fruit and flower, so we eat that, not in the flower but fruit. Okay, now see here, oxygen is released when the photosynthesis is completed. So we take the oxygen from where? Which give the oxygen to us? The plant only. Okay, so during the photosynthesis, what happened? During the photosynthesis means during the sunlight, in the presence of sunlight, when the plant prepared their food, the oxygen is released. Okay, and oxygen leaves the leaf through stomata. So there is stomata on the leaf. What are the stomata? The tiny pores present on the leaf. Okay, on the leaf there are the tiny pores which helps for what? Exchange of gases, means they take the carbon dioxide and release the oxygen. Like we have the nostril and nose for the respiration, for taking the oxygen and releasing the carbon dioxide. Plant has the stomata. Okay, plants has stomata by which they can exchange the gases. Okay, they can exchange the gases, means they can take the carbon dioxide from the environment and to give us the oxygen. Okay, see here, you can see here only. So by this you can check that the yes, oxygen is releasing and the carbon dioxide and sunlight is absorbing by the plant. Okay, so here see the green pigment present on the plant are called the chlorophyll. The pigment by which the color of the leaf is the green are called the chlorophyll. And what is the function of chlorophyll? To absorb the sunlight. Okay, what is the function of chlorophyll? To absorb the sunlight. Now see here the reverse side of the leaf showing stomata which help in the breathing and transpiration. So I told you about the stomata. Stomata are what? These are the tiny pores present on the leaf. Okay, and which help in what? Oxygen, the breathing, means the exchange of gases and transpiration. See, these are the stomata, very tiny. Okay, okay, now see here. So we have learnt about how to plant prepare their food. Okay, this is the process of photosynthesis. Okay, and here see the terrestrial plants and what type of plants are there. I told you terrestrial plants are there, aquatic plants are there. So in terrestrial, what are the plants are available? So in terrestrial plants, the plants in plain areas, means where we live. Okay, these are the plain area. So they grow in warmer climate and usually shade their leaves in winter to protect themselves from cold. So you know, they are generally grow in the warmer climate, means in the summer climate when the climate is little bit hot, and usually they shade, means they shade their all the leaves, वो अपने सारे leaves को गिरा देते हैं. ठीक है, in winter to protect to protect themselves from the cold. Okay, so like teak, tamarind and mango are the example of the plant in plains. Now plant in mountains. So plant in mountains, they are generally of cone shape. So this is the see, this looking like cone, like this. Okay, this is looking like cone. So these are called the cone shaped. Okay, and they have needle like leaves. So their leaves are like needle, like this. Okay, their leaves are needle. So for what? To slide off the snow, because in mountain areas snow falls, right? So to slide off the snow, and they have the waxy coating on the leaves as well, means on the leaf they have the waxy coating, means मोम की परत होती है. सो व्हाट फॉर व्हाट द स्नो एंड द वाटर वहाँ पे स्टोर ना हो पाए. ओके, सो व्हाट आर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द प्लांट इन माउंटेन्स? पाइन, देवदार एंड fir. Okay, now see the plant in coastal areas means the plant which are near the sea. Okay, now see the tall and straight, they are very tall and straight, बहुत लंबे और straight होते हैं, with the crown of feather like leaves on the top of which they withstand strong winds. Example, coconut. So have you seen the coconut plant tree that is very tall? Okay, बहुत strong होता है और उनके leaf क्या होते हैं? ऊपर में होते हैं, बिल्कुल ऊपर में. Okay, so that what they can withstand strong winds, मतलब ज़्यादा coastal areas में बहुत हवा आती है. So टू विथस्टैंड, वो ताकि वहाँ पे बिल्कुल एकदम टाइट होकर खड़ी रह पाए. ठीक है. नाउ सी हियर द प्लांट इन द डेजर्ट एरिया. सो डेजर्ट एरियाज मीन्स द एरिया विच आर कवर्ड विद द सैंड, मीन्स द एरिया ऑफ द राजस्थान, रेगिस्तान एंड ऑल. ओके, सो लीव्स रिड्यूस टू स्पाइन और absent. So they don't have the leaf. Can you see the leaf? But yes, they are, if there is leaf very less, otherwise the leaves are modified into spine, means वो कांटे की तरह होते हैं. आप देखना जो कैक्टस वगैरह का प्लांट होता है ना, उसको देख के आप समझ सकते हो कि वो कांटे की तरह हो जाते हैं उनके लीफ. ओके, फॉर व्हाट? सो दैट द लॉस ऑफ वाटर इज रिड्यूस्ड. ओके, बिकॉज दे डोंट हैव मच वाटर ओवर देयर. इन डेजर्ट देयर इज नो वाटर और वेरी लेस वाटर, सो दैट very less transpiration happens, occur, means transpiration ना हो. transpiration means the loss of water from the plant in the process of evaporation, वैसा ना हो. for that they have very less leaf or the spine like leaf. Okay, so roots are long and penetrating deep into the ground. they have very long root मतलब बहुत ही बड़ा root होता है जो कि एकदम deep नीचे जाके होता है, ताकि नीचे से वो क्या कर पाए? वाटर ले पाए. राइट. एंड एग्जाम्पल आर द कैक्टस एंड एलो वेरा. एंड नो वन मोर थिंग, द कैक्टस एंड एलो वेरा, when you will cut the leaf of the cactus and aloe vera, you will see the jelly like structure in between. right, आप लीफ को थोड़ा कट करके देखना, अंदर जेली जैसा होगा. वो क्या होता है? that are the stored water. वो लोग ना वाटर स्टोर करते हैं अपने लीफ में. yes, so that they can use that in later. okay, later wise they can use that. okay, now see. So these okay, so one more are there, that is the plants in marshy area. Marshy areas means the area which are logged with water, like there is daldal area we can see. right, in marshy areas soil is waterlogged. okay, and thus plants have a special breathing root with pores and grow outwards from the soil. So they don't have the roots which are penetrating into द सॉइल. ओके, उन लोग के रूट जो होते हैं ना सॉइल में नहीं होते हैं. वाई? बिकॉज द एरियाज आर मार्शी. मार्शी मीन्स होता है द एरिया विच आर कवर्ड विथ वाटर. ओके, सो द रूट्स आर ग्रो अपवर्ड द सॉइल. ठीक है, ऊपर की तरफ रूट्स होते हैं. सो दैट दोज आर नोन एज द एरियल रूट्स. ओके, उन्हें एरियल रूट्स भी कहते हैं. ओके, नाउ सी दीज आर द root. okay, breathing roots, pores. okay, these are the plant in the marshy areas. now see, these are the terrestrial plants with the plant which are found on the land. now see the aquatic plants. so maybe fixed to soil, underwater, or free floating or submerged. aquatic plant means the plant which are found in water. okay, so they may be so under the soil, or fixed with under the soil, or the floating on the leaf edge, floating on the surface of the water, or submerged means आधा अंदर हो आधा ऊपर. सो देर आर सम अनयूजुअल प्लांट्स लाइक इंसेक्टिवोरस. सो अनयूजुअल प्लांट्स क्या होते हैं? थोड़े अलग टाइप के प्लांट्स हो जाते हैं आपके इंसेक्टिवोरस प्लांट्स. एग्जाम्पल वीनस फ्लाईट्रैप एंड सेप्रोट्रॉप्स प्लांट्स. example mushroom. so what are the insectivorous plants? means the plants which eat the insect. okay, ये plant क्या करते हैं ना, insect को खा लेते हैं. right, and the next one is the flytrap plant and the saprotrop plant. Saprotrop plants means the plants which are depends on other for their food. okay, like the mushroom, they are depend on other plant or on the other mode of nutrition. they are depend means they depend on the dead and decaying plant or animal. वहीं पे होते हैं. ठीक है, Now plants are very useful to us. They give us what? They give us fibers. Means the fiber means the yarn, धागा वगैरह होता है ना, ताकि उससे हम क्या कर सकते हैं, and उससे हम कपड़े बना सकते हैं, राइट. दे गिव अस रबर, गम, wood, medicine, food. Okay, so there's so many things. Plant give us air as well, water as well. Okay, so because of plant we got this all thing. Okay, now there are some practice set. Now see the practice set. Okay, we'll discuss about the practice set. So what are the questions? The questions in is, dash is an insectivorous plants. Which is an insectivorous plants? Which eat the insect? See here, the answer will be number A. Okay, these are the insectivorous plants. Okay, they trap the insect. Now here see, identify the structure X. So here the question where the structure X is there. Okay, and shown in the picture, and select the correct statement regarding. So let's see the statement. What is the statement? X is called the pneumatophore and is found in the plants growing in marshy area. ये pneumatophore है and ये marshy areas में होते हैं. X is called the lenticel and is found in the plants growing in desert area. X is called the pneumatophore and found in the plant growing in desert area. X is called the lenticle and found in the hilly area. So what we have learned is, we learned that this kind of plants are found in the marshy areas. Okay, so what will be the correct answer? The answer will be number A. Okay, so what I have checked, think about that pneumatophore. You don't know the meaning of pneumatophore, but you know the marshy areas. Okay, so this kind of plants are grown in the marshy areas. Okay, now see, the plant shown here is adapted to grow in dash and dash. So what is the plant? Okay, this is the plant. Okay, and where it found? It found in the first, what we know about this. Yes, this is the plant which does not have leaf and is mostly found in desert area. Okay, so here see, these are the desert animal and they have the needle like leaf. Okay, they have the needle like leaf, so that they does not evaporate. Okay, the water does not evaporate. Okay, now see the number 4. Plants prepare their food in the form of glucose, and this food is used by the plants for. So plant prepare their food in the form of glucose. I told you, sugar, starch, these are also called as the glucose. Okay, so this food is used by the plants for what? For baking flour and food. Yes. For making leaf. Yes. And repairing damaged part and all of these. Okay, so the answer will be all of these. Okay, answer will be all of these. So see class, here you have mostly 15 or 20 questions over here, 20 questions which you need to solve by yourself only. And one more thing, that the same question will not come in examination, but relatable questions will become. Okay, ऐसे ही questions आएंगे but same नहीं आएंगे. ठीक है, so how to solve? For example, so you will get this kind of OMR sheet. आपको ऐसे OMR sheet मिलेंगे, मीन्स आपको जो पेपर मिलेगा ना एग्ज़ाम में, उसमें ऐसे OMR sheet होंगे और आपको वो डाकन करना होगा. ठीक है, जो राइट होगा. सो इफ़ फॉर एग्जांपल नंबर वन क्वेश्चन का हमने क्या टिक किया था? नंबर 1 क्वेश्चन का राइट आंसर क्या था? द राइट आंसर ऑफ द नंबर 1 क्वेश्चन is okay, option A. No, number 1 is not. Yes, option A. So we'll darken the option A only. Okay, so हम कैसे डार्क करेंगे? We'll take our pencil and then I'm showing you, and what we'll do, we'll just circle this A, complete circle. Okay, for example number 2 का आंसर होगा B and I have circled this B. then फुल सर्कल करना, हाफ नहीं करना. ओके, अगर आप ऐसे करोगे तो रॉन्ग हो जाएगा, या फिर आप ऐसे हाफ भी करोगे तो रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. यू नीड टू सर्कल फुल लाइक द A. ओके, A is the correct way to fill the OMR. Okay class, so I hope you are done with this chapter. You have got the topic or everything of this chapter. So the question you need to solve by yourself only, and if you have any doubt with the topic or with anything of this chapter, if you are not getting any question of this chapter, you can call me and I will solve this and I will explain you. Okay, so feel free to ask me about the topic, about the understanding of the question. I will solve. Okay, so this much for today, and I will catch you in the next video with next topic, that is the animal. Okay, and in this chapter also we'll discuss some topic and some question. Okay, and slowly we will learn everything. Okay, so and you will be able to solve science very nicely if you will go through the topic and the question answer as well. So thank you for today. Be at home, be safe, and prepare for your Olympiad as well as attend all the classes. Okay, so thank you so much, class.